We have breaking news right now from the nation of Turkey.
Another part of that country has been hit by a massive earthquake. Fox 61's Ben Goldman is in the breaking news center with the very latest there. Ben.
Sarah, another 6.3 magnitude earthquake hit Turkey's Hatay province today, 2 weeks after a 7.8 magnitude devastated the region. The Turkish agency says that the quake was felt as far away as Syria, Jordan, Israel, and Egypt. There have been more than 6,000 recorded aftershocks since February 6th massive earthquake that killed more than 41,000 people in both Syria and Turkey. Syrian media reporting that today's earthquake brought down buildings and interrupted internet and electricity services in part of the region. Earlier today, the president of Turkey met with rescue teams, thanking them for their service throughout this tragedy. And stay with Fox 61 as we continue to gather the latest information from Turkey this evening. In the Breaking News Center, Ben Goldman, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.